I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You manage supplier relationships and purchase orders to meet company needs. You prioritize requisitions based on stock levels and internal deadlines. You control spend under 000 and escalate purchases above that threshold for additional approvals. You maintain accurate purchase records, invoices, and Form 1099 data for vendor reporting. You ensure deliveries arrive within agreed lead times, typically 30 days, with clear tracking. You communicate changes to stakeholders and confirm receipt to close purchase cycles efficiently. Issue requests for quotation and collect at least 3 bids for major items. Compare total landed cost including freight, duties, and taxes before selecting suppliers. Create purchase orders in the ERP and include item codes, quantities, and unit prices. Match invoices to purchase orders and goods received notes to approve payment. Confirm deliveries and update inventory counts to keep records accurate and prevent stockouts. Use a 30-day payment term when negotiating, unless other terms provide measurable savings. Track supplier on-time delivery and aim for 90% or higher performance. Monitor inventory turns and reduce holding costs by improving order frequency and safety stock. Use supplier scorecards with quality, delivery, and cost metrics to drive improvements. Negotiate cost reductions of 5 to 10% through volume commitments or longer contracts. Set clear KPIs, review them monthly, and adjust sourcing strategies based on performance data. Communicate results to stakeholders and continuously refine processes to lower spend and increase reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.